Let's turn the corner here. I'm really excited about this. Oh my gosh, that's a beautiful building. Good afternoon, everyone, from beautiful heaven on earth, Pine Mountain, Georgia. Today's adventure brings us to the sPizzaDen pizza. And we're about to try a delicious slice of fresh pizza. Let's go inside and take a look.
Appreciate it.
That's a cute pen. That's a cute little ink pen right there. Here's what they have on the menu. They have stromboli, desserts, oven-baked sandwiches. There's a lunchtime buffet. You can build your own pizza. You can tell them what you want on your own pizza. Gourmet pizza, which is delicious. My favorite's pepperoni. Also, they have appetizers, salads, pasta, chicken, thin crust, thick crust, whatever you want. They also have salads and wings. Absolutely delicious. These are the sizes of pizzas you like. They have also personal pan, which is 6-inch, all the way up to the big one. Very unique. Get you a drink with a flavor shot. They have a delicious looking salad bar. They also have a buffet at lunchtime. Get you a plate and a spoon and a fork. Sit down and have a slice of pizza. Those are really cool lights up there. Take a look at those awesome signs up there. They change colors. They are very, very, very unique. Very unique. And you can watch the ball games. This is a beautiful, beautiful place to come and eat pizza. I absolutely love it. Our food finally came to the table, and what is that? Spaghetti and meatballs and Texas garlic toast. That is delicious. And I had a personal pan pizza with pepperoni. And I'm about to try it on this beautiful afternoon and tell everyone how it tastes. This is a delicious pizza. I love the cheese. I love it. Really, I do. Let me give it a taste. That's so good. Absolutely amazing. That is amazing, amazing pizza. That's the best pizza I've had. Oh my gosh.
It is different than the other restaurants.
Very, very good pizza. Very delicious.
Yeah,
Okay, Heather, is this y'all's kitchen?
this is our kitchen club.
Awesome.
Our fearless leader right here.
Nice to meet y'all. That's Steve, okay.
All right, Miss Heather's going to show you around.
Okay, all right.
So right here is where all of our prep takes place.
Uh-huh.
All the dough rolling. And of course.
Oh, yum.
Yes. And then here's our dish pit.
Uh-huh.
Kind of make a circle so you can see it all.
Awesome.
And then we have our storage room back here.
Awesome. This is huge. Wow.
It is huge compared to what we have.
And these are y'all's lights for y'all's delivery cars.
These are our delivery cars.
Awesome.
So
And
they're
your
coming
boxes.
down your driveway. You can see our pour on it.
Awesome.
Here's our freezer around this way.
Awesome.
And of course out back we have our employee parking.
Oh. Hey, this is awesome.
It is huge compared to where we came from.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
A lot more space.
You want to come this way? I'll show you.
Sure.
all the cooking happens. And here's our walking cooler. A lot bigger than what we had as well too.
Wow. I bet it's really cold in here.
It
And there's
is
the pizzas.
36 degrees in right this very second.
36 degrees. That's like wintertime. Oh, I need a jacket. And there's the dough.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's cold in here.
Yes, it is. And this is where all the cooking happens. So
Awesome.
we've got a much larger kitchen than we had. So all
Uh-huh.
the pizza gets, all your dough gets stretched, sauce and cheese,
Mm-hmm.
our double ovens.
Wow. And those are brand new ovens.
They are. They're
Okay.
new, yes. This is our sandwich topping place, and we have deep fryers now.
Deep fryer. Cool.
Coolest deep fryer. You just drop the food in this part, close it, and set a timer, and it'll shoot it out. It's done.
Awesome.
Very cool.
Awesome.
And then on this side, we've got our sausage stations for all of our meats.
Awesome.
Salads prepped here. And right now, they're getting Bambinos ready for the high school.
Oh, for homecoming, right?
Well, we do their concession stand at all their games.
Oh my gosh, how awesome.
Up there. If you look through the oven, you can see the little bitty pizzas coming in through the screen.
Uh-huh. Oh, look at
They
that.
sell them, coming out right here. They sell them at the high school at their concession stands. I think they're like $5.
$5. Oh,
They deliver them every game.
awesome. Awesome.
Kind of cool how it's going down.
One of these days I'm going to go to a game.
And this is where all of our orders are put for dine-ins, takeouts, they can go.
Mhm.
We have the heat window for all of our to-go orders so they'll stay hot.
Awesome.
Try to hop off the camera. So everything stays hot while we eat.
Awesome.
This is one of our new pasta bowls.
Yum.
Your mom just
Yeah, we
those.
just had that out there.
So yeah, that's our new.
This is very beautiful. Very beautiful. Y'all did a great job. I'm proud of y'all. I'm happy for y'all, really, because I'm always eat pizza. Like when I work all day and I want to get something quick, I stop by y'all's place and eat pizza. It's
We're
perfect.
still doing our happy hour every Monday. Half price pizza and strombolis.
Oh.
4 to 6, pick up Ananias.
Mm-hmm. And how much are your pizzas usually?
It depends what you get, but you can do a Big Daddy one topping on a Monday
Mhm.
for $20.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah,
Mhm.
5 people, 21 slices of pizza.
Awesome. Awesome. That's incredible. Mm-hmm.
We're pretty excited here.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
And you'll have Sierra Mist. I saw that over
We have
there.
Pepsi products, and then our new ice maker over here makes the little fun cute ices.
Ooh, how cold is that?
I don't know. We don't know if the mom don't have it. It's pretty cold.
Pretty cold. All right. Beautiful. I love it. Beautiful. Thank you for that tour. Mm-hmm. Absolutely beautiful. I just love pizza. I love y'all, and
Thank you. We're glad you guys are here with us.
absolutely, we're glad to be here. And what's your address?
We are 115 State Street.
115 State Street. All righty. All righty.
Yep, the sign is right out by the front door along with our new hours for over here because we have adjusted the hours just slightly.
Awesome. Awesome. Perfect. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. I love the pizza.
Yeah, so we're glad you love pizza.
I love it. I do. I could eat here every day, but sometimes I can't get over here. But I love it. I absolutely love it.
Let you eat here every day.
Sure, I do that. I would. I really would. Beautiful. Fox's Den, Pine Mountain, Georgia. How big is the big one? Big one up there. 30 inches. Wow.
52 slices feeds 15 people.
Oh, that's a big pizza. When I have a get together, I'm going to get me one of those. Beautiful. I love it. I love it. Okay, let's go get a refill tea. We love it. We loved it. We love the experience. It's wonderful. They have stromboli and salad. Awesome. 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 Absolutely beautiful place to eat delicious, delicious pizza. I absolutely love Fox's Den in Pine Mountain, Georgia. They even have outdoor seating. They have a few tables out here if you want to sit outside. And if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. That was great pizza.